Hello, this is Ishan. This is my assignment CS 504 for a class 504 assignment number 4, where we're visualizing the Titanic dataset. The input to load the dataset is already given, so we'll move forward. Right now, I'm importing this library called Pandas, so I'm importing Pandas as PD, and then I'm converting all those columns using the data frame function. So df is a standard notation, so I'm calling it df as data frame, and I'm describing it just to make sure that all the data is loaded correctly. So here you can see that there are passenger ID, survived, P class, name as different columns, and then there are different attributes like count, unique, top, frequency describing each column. Moving forward, the question is we need to extract from each field survived, P class, age and gender for people who survived. So over here, you can see I'm utilizing the data frame dot location, which basically not location dot lock, which basically does indexing, and then I want to select the column P class. So that's why I have P class, and I want the people who are survived from the column survived. So I'm doing survived equal to 1. Similarly, I do that for all age, survive, and gender. The next part of the question is we need to do a pie chart for people who survived. So to do a pie chart, I'm importing matplotlib pie plot, and just for the sake of convenience, I'm importing as plt. Now to plot a pie chart, we need to get the total number of counts. So I'm counting the number people have survived. So if you print people survived, it shows that actually I can just print people survived. Let me see if it works. Oh, it does not print it. Let me just put it in a different tab. So you can see from this, you can see that people who survived 549 and 342. So I have the corresponding labels, and I'm plotting the chart using plot.axis and plot.show. Moving forward, we want to do the same thing, but we want to show a bar chart for representing male, female, and whether if they survived or not survived. So I'm using this method. I'm again using indexing and subsetting of the dataset to filter it based on survived equal to 1 and survived equal to 0, and then grouping it on attribute sex, which is male or female. Printing this data frame, we get female and male count and whether they died or survived. And in this method, since we already have a data frame ready, I'm not using matplotlib. I'm just using data frame.plot. The first plot plots it without stacked, and the second plot plots it with stacked. Thank you. By the way, this is the scope of what I understood from the assignment. Thanks. Bye.